Welcome to STAR's online video tutorial for using the Components Online COL II application. This tutorial will focus on creating a new quote or order and searching for parts. The assumption prior to viewing this video is that your company has been set up to use both COL II and FastStar, which are both accessed through the same login. If there are inquiries about this setup, please call STAR Buildings to confirm. Let's begin the tutorial. First, log into COL II application through the STAR web portion of STAR's website. Once you have logged in, you should be on the project dashboard page. Make sure you are on the components dashboard and not the buildings dashboard. Notice the buttons along the top right side of the dashboard. These options include New, Edit, Options, Archives, and View Purchase Order. This tutorial will focus on creating a new order, so let's start by hitting the New button. After selecting the New option, the Add Component Project input box will appear. Two inputs will be required: the project name and the zip code for the project. The project name is your assigned name for the project, not anything controlled by STAR, and should help you differentiate various jobs and customers. The second entry is the zip code. Based on the zip code that is entered, the system will automatically select the most appropriate fabrication facility and ship point for the materials you are selecting. Once you have entered both pieces of information, simply select the OK button. You will now be redirected to the part entry portion of the application. The top left of the screen will display the project name that was just entered. The top middle of the screen will display the search option. The top right of the screen is a shortcut to the shopping cart, including the number of items in the shopping cart. So for new orders, of course, you will start with 0 items in the cart. Below these options, along the top of the screen, are menu and category options including panels, trim, accessories, secondary structural, bracing, and hardware. Each of these options has numerous sub-menus that can be selected. Below that will be a product listing. For new orders, this will default to panels, since that is the first option in the menu selection. Let's start by using the search option to find some parts. The default is to search all. You do have the option to search in a specific category if you would like to. Click the down arrow in the Search All button to get a list of all the categories available. To narrow your search to a specific category, simply click on that category. Whether you choose to search all or to search within a specific category, the time it takes to search for a part is negligible. The search functionality will look not only at part numbers, but will also search by keywords that might be in the description of the part. For this example, we will search by the word jam, and you can see that it brought up jam trim, girt to jam clip, jam filler trim, door jam trim, etc. To actually submit the search, you can type in the words and hit the enter key on the keyboard, or you can type in the words and with your mouse hit the magnifying glass icon to the right of the search entry box. To clear out the words in the search dialog entry, you can hit the red X icon option. At any point, at any time, or at any location in the application, you can jump right to the search option to find the materials you are looking for. So let's further discuss using the menu categories to find the parts you are looking for. If you were searching for 24-inch double lock panels, you would go to the Panels menu option, select Roof Panels, and then select Standing Seam. It will then show you all the different panels related to the standing seam, which includes the double lock option. Double lock is available in 3 different widths, so when you select that option, you would still need to narrow it down a bit further based off panel width. As previously mentioned, at any time from any screen, you can use the menu navigation or the search option. Notice that since we're on the double lock panels, the search option is also set to that category. Reset the search option to search all, and then let's search for PBR. Please note that there might be multiple pages of returned items from the search, so use the page selection option to move through all the items found. Creating a new quote or order and searching for parts is very important for navigating through the application. Entering part information and using the shopping cart will be found in another COL II tutorial. We hope this tutorial has given insight for creating a new quote or order and searching for parts. Thank you for viewing this online tutorial, and if you have any further questions or comments, please call Star Buildings at your convenience to discuss further.